Hi traders, today is 23rd of September 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market futures 2019 November contract. At this moment, we are in the US session. The time now is 9:17 a.m. in the morning, New York time. So we are expecting for the market to go for a bullish movement. There's a bullish signal at this moment at 58.34. As you can see from my live signal broadcast also, just send out the signal to buy at 58.24, and target is around 19 ticks or 190 US dollar in profit. So I'm expecting for a quick entry, if possible, to enter to trade if there is a chance. Okay, let's take a look on the chart. At this moment, the market have a strong major bearish during London session, but we didn't receive any signal to go into the market. But for US session, we can see there's a tendency for the market moving to the upward movement at this moment, and it's quite clear that there's a minor pullback for further bullish movement. So let's go. Let's take a look on the volume. At this moment, there's no spike been seen. It's quite stable. Only on the upper side we can see a minor high Q at 58.40. Our exit will be at 58.55. So hopefully the price have tendency for it to go there. 58.50 is a quite common price level. As you can see, it is about 106 queuing here, 58.40, 127 queuing here. So any moment my stop order will be filled. So I'm expecting for the market to go for the bullish movement after this consolidation. So hopefully a quick one. So in this video, I will show you how I do scalping for US session almost every day, and every day there will be entry exactly at around 9 a.m. New York time. So from that point to next 2 hours should be have one solid entry. So by the way, there's a link below in description. You may find it and click it. So you can join my live broadcast. There's a free trial for 9 days. Feel free to join in and to adapt to my trading style and risk. So we're still waiting for the market to fill our entry. Okay, this looks nicer. It's quite a problem because I couldn't zoom in to this area. There's some setting changes today. Okay, we're almost there. This is my buy stop limit order, and this is my stop loss. So I'm expecting for the market to go further up any moment soon. So should be this one is a quick trade. I'm expecting for it to be within 10 minutes time. Up to this moment, we're still not yet triggered. Something's wrong with this setting. It's very hard to zoom in. I'm not sure. Okay, our fill is still our order still not yet filled. Still waiting. It might take for the next 10 minutes time. I'm expecting for it to fill. So now we are waiting at 58.34. Quite strong pullback. Any moment it will burst further up. So let's wait. Still the highest. Still the higher is volume maintained at 58.50 and 58.40. Now reduced to 94, and for 58.40 reduced to around 1998. This is not really strong indication for the market to go on the further bullish. I'm still expecting for the bullish because the only signal we receive at this moment is the bullish signal. So that's why I queue my position based on this hidden volume at this 58.34. This is the level. Looks like a breakout position, but it is more related to the short-sighted of the price market. Okay, we'll try to capture it live. Hopefully manage to capture it live. We are about 6 ticks distant from the entry level. I'm sorry I couldn't enlarge this chart because something happened. I'm not sure why. Maybe there is an upgrade in the charting system. That's why I'm still not familiar how to zoom in and fix it. So let's wait. The most important thing is the entry level still remain at 58.34 for buying position. So by the way, feel free to click the link in description below. You will directed to my live broadcast private channel. So there's a 9 days free trial. Feel free to click on it, and hopefully you can enjoy the trading with me together. We're still waiting. Here we go again. New candle. Time now is 9:30 a.m. New York time, New York local time. So we have been waiting since 9:10. So 20 minutes waiting. So good enough for all other traders to queue at the same price level like mine. Okay, could be this one. So let's hope it explode further up very fast. That's what we're expecting, and that's what we want for our trade to be quick in the market with a good profit. So daily target is around 200 to 400 US dollar for profit, and we will have every day this signal, but the profit with or winning rate is not 100%, but it's quite high for US session, more than 90%. Still waiting for the market to burst further up and fill our entry at buy stop limit 58.34. So in this scalping, sometimes it's quite tiring just waiting, and normally the profit is not really slow, it's always fast. Okay, still not yet. 3 more minutes for the next candle to be appear. It's quite active now. Price now is around 58.27, around 7 ticks to our entry point. So now we are entering a new candle. This candle is green, and the next one should be the a big bullish candle. That's what I'm expecting. Not just simply expecting, but it looks a bullish movement. It was a good nice pattern at the market on the bullish running. Okay, almost there. It's not far. Another 4 ticks. Hopefully I can capture it live if the market bursts further up. Not yet. Still playing around at this area. Okay, we are nearing our entry level. About 3 to 4 ticks. It's not far. This is the nearest for the last 50 minutes. Okay, looks good. Market might burst. So I need to be prepared to exit all position. We are in the market. Hopefully there's no slippage. Yes, there's a slippage at 58.35. So I need to be careful. There's a slippage. I queue at 58.34. So now the market give me 58.35. So at this moment we are long on the market. Let's hope this one is a quick. We try to capture it live. I'm expecting for the to go further up in a quick fast. So time now is 9:42 a.m. in the morning, New York time. Okay, now the price still remain waiting for the others to come in. So the profit at this moment still in minus 2 ticks, also not positive. The light is going to burst further up, so let's wait. So let's take a look on the volume if there is a large volume waiting. No, there's none at this moment. 58.40 also already reduced to around 79.76. Let's wait. Our stop loss will be somewhere here. When it's broke further down, then I will exit the losses. Market seems sideways at this moment. We are in the negative territory and almost hit our one stop loss at 58.13. No luck today. It hit our stop loss. So market go further down. Just unlucky today.